Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 1600. Let's get started. First, we draw a big rectangle. This will be the main shape of Numberblock 1600. Now we add the lower shape, a small rectangle cut out from the bottom middle. This will help us place his legs later. Next, we divide the whole shape into big squares. So we draw 3 vertical lines and 3 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 16 big blocks, each representing 100. Draw 40 vertical lines straight across both rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Yay! 40 vertical lines complete. Now draw the 40 horizontal lines for the 1600 block side. There will be 160 horizontal lines. We'll add 40 blocks, and this time we'll count 40 rows in total. Let's fill them all by counting in 40s. Here we go. Count with me. Let's look inside the lines. Each row adds 40 blocks, and we'll count 40 rows in total. Let's count by 40s all the way to 1600. 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, 400, 440, 480, 520, 560, 600, 640, 680, 720, 760, 800, 840, 880, 920, 960, 1000, 1040, 1080, 1120, 1160, 1200, 1240, 1280, 1320, 1360, 1400, 1,440, 1,480, 1,520, 1,560, and 1,600. Wow, we reached 1,600. That's SIXTENHUNDRED. 40 times 40 equals 1,600. A perfect square of powerful learning blocks. Great! Now the whole grid is complete. Now let's make his face. Let's draw the two big eyes, then add the inner eye shapes. Draw a big happy smile. Add the mouth outline and tongue area. Add the cheek curves and the side mouth details. Now draw a curvy arm on each side of his body. Then draw two short legs at the bottom. Finally, write his number on top, 1,600. Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 1,600. Now let's color him in and bring him to life. Yay! Time to color! Now it's time to color him and bring him to life. Let's begin with black. Color the centers of the eyes and the inside of the mouth. Spell slowly B-L-A-C-K. Can you point to something black around you? Awesome! Pick light purple for the face area around the eyes and smile. Spell slowly L-I-G-H-T-P-U-R-P-L-E. Can you clap your hands 10 times while we color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great! Now choose dark purple for the arms and legs. D-A-R-K-P-U-R-P-L-E. Raise your hands high like Numberblock 1,600's arms. 1, 2, 3. Perfect!
Coloring top to bottom.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage.
Now dark pink for the tongue and watch. Spell slowly D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Can you touch your toes 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome! Pick red. Color the top 1,000 blocks. Spell slowly R-E-D. Can you find something red around you? Point to it. Great job!
Count with me 1 to 10, let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22. Numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do. Shape it, shade it, color in. Number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build a number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow.
Now pick purple. Color the bottom 600 blocks. Spell slowly P-U-R-P-L-E. Let's clap 10 times to count to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Excellent counting.
Learning math and art together makes the brain and heart align. Counting higher, counting further, 20, 30, 40 more. Numbers rising like a tower, bigger blocks than ever before. Fill the colors in between, keep it neat and keep it right. Drawing number blocks together is a happy, joyful sight. Color corner, color center, fill each box from left to right. Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners, we are builders. Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build the number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8. Let's go!
Wow! Number block 1600 looks amazing! Hello, I'm number block 1600. That's 1000 plus 600. I'm half red and half purple. Together, I make a huge number. Let's break 1600 into parts. 1600 equals 1000 plus 600. 1600 equals 400 plus 400 plus 400 plus 400. I'm 1600. I'm a super square. Let's recap the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600. Can you jump for each hundred? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Fantastic! Fantastic work, everyone! You drew, colored, counted, and learned with number block 1600. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more number block fun. See you next time!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.